taking receipts and scanning them and refunding them to his own card.
Him?
He's my assistant manager.
Are you the manager?
I'm the store manager.
That's pretty sneaky.
I saw it on Reddit and decided to try it for myself.
A retail employee, a personal debit card, over $2,600, moved through a fraudulent refund scheme spanning 2 months without triggering a single alert. The more important question is not what happened. It is whether every legal requirement was met when the arrest came.
What's up? How are you? Yeah, it's a little chilly. Is there a Heather here?
Yeah.
Are you called? So what's going on?
They're in the office.
Huh?
They're in my office. My boss in.
Oh,
Yes.
taking care of it, huh?
Uh-huh.
So what happened?
He was taking receipts and scanning them and refunding them to his own card.
Him?
Mm-hmm.
What's his name?
Katie.
Did he?
Mm-hmm.
And he works here.
Mm-hmm. He's my assistant manager.
Are you the manager?
I'm the store manager.
You're the boss,
Yes.
but that's the corporate or something, or
My district manager's in the office.
district
So
manager.
my boss.
So he buys products.
Mm-mm. So other people buying products, if they don't want the receipt, he's calling them up, throwing them away, but then taking them and scanning them and refunding them, but putting it back on his debit card. So he's like,
How long has he been doing that?
I want to say about half a month now. 18, 19, 20 days now.
You're Heather, right?
Yes.
So what does the district supervisor plan on doing?
Press charges. Because it's like over $2,500.
Okay.
And she's got it. She's even got it on flash drives.
Right.
Hi.
Hi.
An employee who has done fraudulent refunds in the amount of $2,655.
I was aware of it.
He's just written a statement. I have my LP partner on the live on video. I have the statement. I have all the documentation and video.
And admitted to it.
When I'm arrested.
Huh?
When I'm arrested.
So you guys press charges?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. Let me just make a quick phone call, okay?
Okay.
Do it.
Yeah, I'm getting another deputy here.
Okay. Can you please come in so they can go?
Absolutely.
Negative $1. I'm getting no record for an IPO.
Hey, Jim. I have
Hello.
Sheriff's Department here. He's got another deputy on the way.
Okay. Hi, how you doing? Jim Christian, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm the loss prevention manager for Dollar General. I live up here in Tampa. I cover 230 stores in the state, so.
God bless you.
All right?
Yeah.
You know, you guys are busy. I know that. So I appreciate you guys coming out. So basically what we have some fraudulent refunds that Katie has completed here. I've interviewed him. He's admitted to it. He wrote a statement.
I can honor that. Yep.
Okay, so Kathy has all that documentation for you as well.
Yeah, and I'll do a quick interview with him, and we'll go over some of the reasons and stuff like that.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
You got it. I appreciate you.
Okay.
I'm going to I'll put my microphone on mute, and I'll sit tight in case you have any questions for me.
Okay. And Dollar General wishes to press charges?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you have your ID on you?
Am I gonna be arrested?
I'm gonna go through the motions. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. KD, are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No.
Do you understand the meaning of perjury?
Yes.
Okay. Perjury can be committed by telling lies, leaving out information under oath. It is a crime in the state of Florida.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I explained to you about perjury?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So prior to taking a sworn statement, I am going to place you under oath. All right. So please raise your right hand. KD, do you swear or affirm the statement you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. I
You
swear.
can put your hand down. All right. And more nonsense here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask any questions. And to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Told you how to read it.
It's a lot to read.
Okay. KD, you know why we're here.
Yes, sir.
I know why we're here. You already gave a statement, which I think is that part of what happened is commendable. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie or.
No, well you can't. Otherwise you perjure yourself, and you catch it more.
And
more
I mean, there's
charge.
cameras. There's no.
Right. So, tell me what you did and tell me why. Like, what's the reasoning?
I refunded transactions and put them on my card stuff that I didn't buy from other customers, and obviously they didn't return. And I did it because I was just struggling financially, and I made a dumb, stupid decision. And if I could take it back, I would.
Right. How long have you been working here?
6 months.
6 months. Do you like your job?
Not really.
It's okay to be honest. You
Not
know?
really. No.
All right. So, how did you come up with that idea? Because that's pretty sneaky.
I saw it on Reddit and decided to try it for myself.
So run me through a scenario. Somebody comes up and they buy
like bleach or anything that's not food or alcohol.
Nothing food or alcohol. Okay. And then they buy it. So they buy it with cash or card or what?
Card, and you scan the receipt and refund it, and I put it back on my
What
card.
if they take that receipt with them? You can't do it.
You can't do it.
So you keep the receipt.
Yeah.
And then at a later date or the same day or?
Yeah, a later date usually. Yeah.
What do? You scan it and
Scan it.
like they're bringing those items back?
Yeah.
Gotcha. And then you put it on.
And put it on my card.
What kind of card do you put it on?
Bank account, Chime card, just a regular debit card.
May I see it?
Yes, sir.
Does this have? Is it this exact one?
Yes, sir.
Or do you use multiple?
That's the one that I used. I didn't use any other card.
Okay. Let me.
You use cash too.
Yes, there was cash too.
So you said you do this when they pay with a card.
Well, 99% of the time it was with a card. It was a couple times I did it with cash too.
Okay. I'm just gonna take a picture, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
So, how many times have you done this?
Too many times to keep count.
All right. Do you have a dollar amount?
$2,655.
$2,655.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From this, did you do it at any other stores?
No, sir.
Just here.
Just here.
All right. Do you have a time frame of the dates that you did it? Was it
Maybe started sometime in November.
November through what? January?
Yeah.
Did you do it this year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And you wrote a
statement, yeah.
you wrote a statement? All right. This is your statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this my copy?
I have all your stuff in the envelope. You can have that copy too.
Okay. All right. Would you mind reading that to me?
Yes, sir. I, Katie Horner, am writing this statement of my own free will. I refunded over $2,600 to my own card. If given the opportunity, I am willing to pay back the full amount of money that I cost the company. I was struggling financially and made the wrong decision to steal from the company. I will pay back the $2,600 that I lost the company if given the chance. With sincerest apologies, Katie Horner.
Okay. And I commend you for that. Like I said, that action that you took is commendable. You know? I mean, you're taking responsibility for inappropriate actions, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the store manager called, we have the district manager, and right here's the LP boss of bosses. Okay, they do want to press charges.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you ever been arrested for theft before?
No, sir.
Do you have any kind of criminal history?
No, sir.
Nothing?
No.
Okay. So, that being said, is there anything you want to add, change, or... Listen, you're getting fidgety. You've been fine this whole time. have I been transparent with you?
Yes, sir.
Have I explained the whole process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Relax. Breathe. All right? Is there anything you want to add, change, or delete from what you told me?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, this concludes your statement. It's 9:34 a.m., January 9th, 2025. Okay. So, you know the drill.
Can you get arrested?
Well, they want to press charges. Okay? So, you sat down, you talked to me. Come here, bud. Come here. Breathe.
You can just go ahead and send it to him.
Put your hands here, and then I'm
Do you
going
have to handcuff me?
I have to.
Yes, sir.
Can you put it in front of me? Does it have to be?
No,
No.
it's policy, procedure that we have to do it this way.
You told him 10:15.
No, not yet.
No, my keys
Which
are
one
in
are
my
you
book
sent
bag.
for?
Yeah, I'm
He's
gonna-
have that subject 10:15.
I got it. Okay. Is there anything, KD?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything on you?
I have my phone and there's a vape in my pocket. That's it.
All right, we're pocket. I'm gonna be searching you.
There's headphones and my phone in this pocket.
Okay. Anything in your pockets that are gonna stick me,
No, sir.
poke me, cut me?
No, sir.
Any kind of narcotics, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay. And your vape is here?
No, that's my headphones, my vape's in the
Okay. Face that way. 23. So you never been charged with theft before?
No, sir.
Okay. This is your vape. I will take that. What's this?
It's something I got from a customer like 6 months ago.
Did you pay for that?
No, he gave it to me.
Okay. Alright, just let me check the back pockets here. Is there anything else on you that you're aware of?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Yep. Okay, so this is going to be a felony charge
Okay.
because of the amount of money.
Yeah.
All right, 2,600 and change. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Can you just hold on to him? I'm going to grab his belongings.
I have a book bag in here too.
Okay, we'll grab it.
He's gonna want my keys.
Okay. All good?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, they're in the big.
And Kathy, you got all the paperwork for him. Right?
Yeah.
All right, then he'll get you a police report and all that.
Yep. I'll give you. Absolutely. Yep. If you want to write down the case number, you can. So you have it for.
Yes, hang on one sec.
Yep.
So this, the flash drive is here. These are all the transactions.
Okay.
He completed them under other people's names.
Okay.
So that's how, so these are the refunds that were completed under this employee's names.
Okay.
And that's the total that he completed
Under
under
that
this
name.
employee.
Okay.
So the flash drive has all of these first. So it says 1. And then these refunds were completed under this employee. Then that's the second set of on the,
Okay.
and then the 3, 4,
All right.
5,
Understood.
6, and then a copy of the,
Can we put this in on top too?
yeah, we've got another copy in there for you too.
Okay.
But, and then that's the flash drive.
Okay.
You have my phone number if you need anything else,
I do.
but it's very well organized for you.
Yep. And we had a full confession, so you're good.
All right.
All right. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
All right.
Thank you very, very much.
Yes. Thank you. KD, I'm going to hold on to your chime card. These are his. These are,
Yes.
that's going to be placed in the evidence. Okay.
I got a question. He's used another cord. I don't know whose number it is.
I haven't used any other cards.
He said no other cards, just cash.
There's a card that he used. The numbers end in 9173.
If you want to check my wallet for that card, you can, but
Is
you're
it
not
somebody
finding
else's? Your girlfriend's?
it. No, her card does not contain that.
I'll take a look.
10 o'clock.
Okay.
427 Central, show me around the 423. 10 o'clock.
Yep.
427, where are you coming from?
I'm on Miami by morning 5.
Oh my.
10 You're closer to me. 406 Central, go ahead and sign that. Call the ad 427. I'll take that.
10 4.
I told him to send you a CH for him, so. You want to search him again, or are you good?
I'll go back to 423.
I did a thorough search.
Okay, have a seat.
I show the decal on the truck expiring 9/24/2024 on the Michigan registered owner and Andrew.
Where's his difference?
Your subject. That's that 4. I'll just need to take the birth on him. 10 4 9
Florida Statute Section 817-34 defines scheme to defraud as a systematic, ongoing course of conduct with deliberate intent to defraud. Unlike a single theft under Section 812.14, the scheme element requires a repeated pattern. That distinction elevates the charge and determines the felony tier. Under Florida Statute Section 817-34, subsection 4, a scheme involving property valued below $20 is a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in prison and a $50 fine. Documented total of $2,655 falls squarely within that range. A sworn oath was administered before Miranda rights were read. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, 1,966. Rights advisement must precede any custodial interrogation. At the moment of the oath, deputies were present and the subject was not free to leave. That threshold had already been crossed. Under Bergwis versus Tompkins, 560 U.S., 370, 2010. A Miranda waiver need not be explicit. A voluntary, knowing, and intelligent decision to speak after a proper advisement is sufficient. The subsequent rights reading and express waiver likely cures the sequencing issue, but a suppression argument remains available to the defense. The written confession obtained by loss prevention before officers arrived is not subject to Miranda. Private actors are not agents of the state. The exclusionary rule does not reach them. That pre-arrest statement remains fully admissible regardless of what happens to the sworn statement. The post-arrest search is authorized under Chimel versus California, 395 U.S., 752, 1,969. Officers may search the person and immediate area incident to a lawful arrest without a warrant. Items discovered in that search may open additional exposure beyond the original charge. Processing refunds under multiple employee credentials is not a minor detail. Under Florida case law, it establishes deliberate concealment of the instrument of fraud. For prosecutors, it forecloses an isolated error defense. For defendants, it narrows every path to a lesser charge. The cover-up compounds the crime. The confession is documented. The charge is filed. But cooperation does not guarantee outcome. A second card appears in the transaction records, one that does not match any account the subject claims to own. Mitigation arguments exist. Diversion may be available. Nothing is resolved yet. What actually happened in court? And whose card was it?